As we were traveling on Highway 44 that goes from St. Louis, Missouri down to Joplin, Missouri, and onward, we kept seeing these signs that said, "Come to Uranus, the historic 66 famous stop, and come see the famous fudge factory." Well, we decided to go there, and we found out that there's a lot more to see in Uranus than just fudge. Two happy guys thinking about fudge. We saw a sign that said, "Come see the world's largest belt buckle." Well, that's what we did. We had to go see it and get a picture next to it. And then on the way, we passed the Uranus Pickers. And of course, here they are, the famous Uranus Pickers band. And here's the sign that tells us this is the way to the Uranus belt buckle. And of course, I had to get a picture in front of the largest belt buckle. And here's a little close-up of that belt buckle. I said goodbye to the Uranus Pickers on the way out to go see more interesting stuff. Uranus has its own police force. Can you imagine? Here's the car, better close-up. Oh well, on to the next site. Looks like they have a tattoo parlor here. Eric said not to read this sign, but it was too late. They have a circus sideshow, a lady who swallows a sword and two-headed turtle and other kind of stuff, but we didn't go in. Well, it's about time that we go into the fudge factory, but we got to get a few photos in front of some interesting items. I don't know how to describe them. You can just look at them yourself. Well, when I walked in, I have to admit that my brain was working on overload because there was not just fudge. There was candy and t-shirts and a lot of interesting people, by the way, too. This was an interesting display of different types of glass vases. There was one section, probably not this one, where they just sold fishing tackle and fishing equipment. Interesting. Well, we did a quick walkthrough, and I don't think we even saw half the stuff there. But this is an interesting place to stop when you're traveling along Highway 44. We actually took the National Forest road back because there was a lot of construction work going on, but that was a lot of fun. Eric said that this character inside this booth was on a movie, but I don't know. We'll see. Come to Uranus. We'll see you there.